Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Vivi Andriany. I'm student college from PERSADA Indonesia University YAI. In here I will present the material about accounting. Before start the presentation, I want to say thank you to my lecturer, Mr. Budiantoro. Okay, now I will read a passage. Accounting provides a financial picture of a business firm. An accounting department records and measures the activity of a business and reports on the effects of this transaction on the firm's financial conditions. Accounting records and reports provide data that are used by management, stockholders, creditors, independent analysis, bank, and government. The income statement and balance sheet are the two types of records that most businesses prepare regularly. By reading these statements, one can identify how money was received and spent by a company. By analyzing these records, one can determine whether or not the activities of the company have been good for it. One major tool for the analysis of accounting records is ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is the relationship of two figures. There are three main categories of ratio in finance. One such ratio deals with profitability. The main example of this is the return on investment ratio, which is the most widely used single measure of firms' operating efficiency. A second set of ratio helps a company evaluate its current financial position. These ratios deal with assets and liabilities. A third set of ratios deals with the overall financial structure of the company, primarily analyzing the value of the ownership of the firm. Next, comprehension questions. Number 1. In general terms, what is the purpose of accounting? Based on passage, accounting aims to provide an overview of the firm or company's finance. An accounting department is in charge of recording and measuring business activities and reporting the effect of transaction on a company's financial condition. Number 2. Who uses that data which is provided by accounting records? Based on passage, accounting records and reports provide data that are used by management, stockholders, creditors, independent analysis, bank, and government. Number 3. What are the two types of records that are prepared the most business? Based on passage, the income statement and balance sheet are the two types of records that most businesses prepare regularly. Number 4. What can one learn by analyzing the income statement and balance sheet of a company? Based on passage, by reading this statement, one can identify how money was received and spent by a company. By analyzing it, one can determine whether the company's activities are good or not. Number 5. What is ratio analysis used for? A ratio analysis is the relationship of two figures. According to James Carter von Harne quotes from Kashmir 2008, financial ratio is an index that connects to accounting numbers and is obtained by dividing one number by another. This analysis is used as a measuring tool to provide an overview of information about the company's financial positions and performance in a certain period, which can be used as a guide in making business decisions. Number 6. What are the three categories of ratio in finance? The three categories of ratios finance. First, return on investment ratio. Second, helps a company evaluate a current financial position. This ratio deals with assets and liabilities. Third, overall, analyzing the value of the ownership of the firm or company. Next, vocabulary practice. Number 1. Accounting is needed to report all business transactions. The sentence is included in verb. Number 2. He keeps very neat record. The sentence is included in noun. Number 3. Our firm's current profits are very high. The sentence is included in noun. Number 4. Their profit from their association with the company. The sentence is included in verb. Number 5. Our record of accounts receivable show that $5,000 is owed to us. This sentence is included in noun. Number 6. The activity is reported on income statements and balance sheets. This sentence is included in verb. And last, I have quotes from Mr. Sandiaga Uno. The way to get rid of the initial obstacles in doing attempt is to continue to be optimistic and never give up, and always be grateful for the slightest success or achievement. Okay guys, the end of sentence. Keep the spirit to be what you want. That's all for me. I'm sorry if I take a mistake. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.